Do you have a faucet with poor water flow like this? Well, you don't just have to live with it, and you don't need to buy a new faucet. The problem is normally right here, and it's a simple fix. This thing is called the aerator, and it catches dirt and debris and stuff flowing in the water, and over time that clogs up the faucet. So you just need to take it off and clean it. Now, sometimes you can take these off by hand. Sometimes you need a wrench to get them started, but I always use a cloth to protect it from getting all scratched up while I'm removing it. Look at all this debris in here that you can see. These are tiny little rocks that have floated in the water and gotten caught on this aerator, and that's what's blocking the flow. Now, before you start cleaning it, do a little test. Without that aerator on, turn the water on and see what kind of water flow you have. If you've got good water flow, then that's confirmation that the aerator is the problem. So you just need to pop this plastic piece out of this metal housing, and you just need to clean it. You can clean it with water. You can tap it against the side of the sink to help knock debris loose. You can use a toothbrush. And these plastic pieces, sometimes you can take them apart into 2 or 3 smaller pieces, which makes cleaning easier. But you just need to get all the stuff out of that as well as you can. Sometimes I'll turn it upside down and push it up against the opening where the water flows out. And the water pressure will help to push the debris out and help to clean it. But just get it as clean as you can. Now, if you do take this plastic piece apart, make sure you watch how it comes apart so that you can put it back together once you're done. And once you have it as clean as you can get it, you'll just need to reassemble it and put it back into the metal housing and screw it back on. Sometimes screwing it back on is the toughest part of the entire process because you've got to get those threads lined up just right. It's not always easy, but you can do it, I promise. There we go. Okay, now I'm just going to tighten it with the wrench so it doesn't leak. And I think we'll be done with this project. Let's turn the water on and see how it looks. Look at that. So much better than it was before. So that's all it takes to get this thing cleaned up and to get better water flow. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope it's been helpful to you. If it has, please click that like button down below. Also, I sure would appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. That way you can be notified when new videos come out. Thanks again.